Hi everyone and welcome back to another maths lesson today. And today we're looking at turning an addition number sentence into a subtraction number sentence. So let's have a look at our home learning intention. I'm learning to add and subtract by using different strategies. So that's the same learning intention that we've been looking at all week. And how will you know if you are a successful learner? You'll know if you can count the dots using one-to-one counting or supertizing or the counting on strategy. If you can recognise the biggest number in a number sentence, if you can explain your thinking and how you worked something out, and if you can change the order of the numbers or the pictures in your number sentence to make a new number sentence. So we're exploring adding numbers and how we can use those numbers that we're adding and turn it into a takeaway. And up in the corner, you'll notice just some strategies that we have been looking at. And we're going to use the turnaround strategy today to help us with this first number sentence. So let's have a look at what it says. Jo put 3 snails in the bug jar and her sister added 7 more. How many snails are in the jar? So if we have a look here at the picture sentence, at the number sentence, we've got 3 snails, which Jo put in, and her sister added 7 more snails. Now, it's going to be harder to add 7 snails than it is to add 3 snails. So we're going to use what we call the turnaround strategy. And that simply means instead of starting off with 3, we're going to put the bigger number, which is 7, at the start of our number sentence, just like I've done here. So 7 and 3 makes, and if you remember your rainbow facts from last week, you'll know that 7 and 3 makes 10. Or you can use your counting on strategy. You've got 7, and we can go 8, 9, 10 is the other strategy that you can use to find out how many snails all together. Remember that 3 plus 7 is the same as 7 plus 3. When you're adding numbers, it doesn't matter the order of these first two numbers. The answer is still the same. We're now going to turn this addition number sentence, the 7 plus 3 equals 10, into a subtraction, a takeaway. And this is what we're going to do. First, we need to find the biggest number. Which is the biggest number out of these 3 numbers? The 7, the 3, or the 10? If you said the 10, you are correct. So I'm going to type in 10. Now the symbol for takeaway looks like this. That's our takeaway symbol. When we're taking something away, we started off with 10 altogether. That's our biggest number. Now I'm going to take away either 3 or 7. I can choose either of those numbers. I'm going to choose the 7 this time. Then I'm going to put my equal sign. I've used the number 10. I've used the number 7. The only number that's left over is the number 3. So that is my answer. And we can just check that and make sure that that's the right answer by looking up here. We've got 10 snails altogether. We're taking away 7. So let's just pop a line through them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let's see how many left over. 1, 2, 3, which is our answer. So we have checked it and that is correct. Let's try turning this addition sentence, number sentence down here, into a subtraction as well, just like we did at the top. This one is, we're going to use the dominoes that we looked at yesterday, and today we're choosing the middle domino. So we've got 4 dots on one side, 2 dots on the other side of the domino. Let's add it together. 4 and 2 makes, using our counting on strategy, we've got 4, so we don't need to count that, 5, 6. It makes 6 altogether. We're going to now turn it into a subtraction. Now you can see it here, 4 plus 2 equals 6. Let's turn it into a takeaway, a subtraction number sentence. What's our bigger number, 4, 2, or a 6? 6 is our bigger number, isn't it? We're taking away. Remember, that's our takeaway sign. And now we're going to choose to take away the 4 or the 2. I'm going to take away the 2 this time. So I've used the 6, I've used the 2, I need my equal sign. The only one that's left over is the number 4, so that is going to be my answer. 6 take away 2 equals 4. Let's have a look. I've got 6. I'm taking away 2. If I take away those 2 on the top, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 left over, and we can see our number 4. Have fun today practicing your addition and subtraction number sentences. See you next time. Bye everyone.